A while back, I made a video trying to create my own buttercreams, and then I happened to purchase almost 100 of them in an excellent deal, and I decided to compare it to what I created. So here's the real thing and my dupe. I created using Young Nails clear sculptor, red mica powder, and black gel polish. And just to refresh my memory, I swatched what I created in a single layer and did the same thing with the buttercream. Almost instantly, we can see a difference with just the first layer in terms of application, color, and opacity. My mixture is more sticky, and that has to do with the clear sculptor gel base. Buttercreams, as the name implies, are smooth as butter. The buttercream is more opaque, which means I should have added more black in my gel base, and the red is more red-violet, but these are factors I can actually correct in a new mixture. When we come in with the second layer, both swatches instantly become more opaque. Buttercreams advertise one coat coverage, but not all of them seem to follow this rule. Because of the heavy pigmentation, it's advised that they are applied thinly and in 2 or more coats versus built up, where my mixture would have the advantage since it also adds strength, whereas buttercreams do not. A side-by-side comparison of the two, you can see that both of them are actually quite transparent on a clear tip, and that's just because it's a clear tip. Mine more so when you look from the top down. Adding more black in the gel base may have helped. The color's also off, but my reference was from YouTube on an LED screen versus directly in front of me. It was nice to actually compare what I made to the real thing and see what I could have done differently, but regardless of the difference, if you're on a budget, have a lot of material, or don't want to spend $15 on a single color, you can still mix. And at the end of the day, this is just art, and there's no set in stone way to do art. Thank you for watching my quick video, and I hope you have a great day.